All right, we're gonna make some shine out of some red wheat. We got 5 pounds of red wheat. We're gonna use 8 pounds of sugar, 5 gallons of water. All right, we'll get you 5 gallons of spring water. Bring it to a boil. We're gonna add 8 pounds of sugar. We're gonna let it get dissolved. We're going to try and put our false bottom back in. We're going to put a brew bag in full of 5 pounds of red wheat. Make sure you mill it. You got to run it through a mill. We ran it twice. Give that a minute to dissolve. Start that video.
Go down and sit. I never stopped it.
We dropped our false bottom down in there. You want to keep this bag off the bottom of the pan or else it'll melt it. Smells so good every time you brew something. Beer, shine, especially beer. Sweet smells pretty damn good too.
I mean, we're making wheat beer right now, right?
Yeah.
We'll make a wheat beer and then run it through still.
Yep.
Let that cook down for a little bit.
All right, we let it cook down. Got our heat off. We're gonna let it sit overnight and cool down. Then we'll add our yeast tomorrow. All right, you will put 10 grams of deity yeast in here. Red Star Deity. You can use any brand. Dry active distiller's yeast. Or distiller's active dry yeast, my bad.
Do the mac and cheese sound.
Oh, if it don't sound like that, I don't want it. I don't know if that's 10 grams. There you go, there's 10 grams. Smells so good. Smells great.
I'm gonna let this sit for about 14 days.
14 days. Once you pull your brew bag and you squeeze all your liquid out of it, pour everything in the pot. Assemble your still.
Put your gasket on, and put your top on. Make sure your gasket's got a nice fit on it.
You want to be airtight, motherfucker?
Don't want it leaking out of the side.
All right, we got heads from our wheat shine. We'll go get 250 milliliters. Then we'll switch it over.
All right, we're going to check out this wheat moonshine. It's good and clear. It's our first jar, 110 proof. Oh, it smells really good. You can smell that weed in there. This is great. I'd say compared to the corn liquor, it's got a much cleaner taste. You don't have that super corn flavor to it, which makes it not as clean. I really like the wheat. I'm gonna turn this into a whiskey.
I feel like I'm getting my mugshot taken.
She's a little high. I should have pointed her down a little bit.
It's cool. We got old fucking Uncle Gene in the background over here. Tastes like shine. Tastes weedy. It's good shit. It burns like a motherfucker.
Hot from your lips to your belly.
Yeah. It's good and warm. We ended up what? 110, 190, and
155.
150.
And tails were 55.
Or one. I thought you said 150. All right. We ended up with one at 110, one at 90, and one at 55. We cut it off after the 55. It just got too low. We didn't want nothing lower than that. That's it. It's red wheat shine. Fuck your mama.